Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make turkey chili. It's a little bit healthier than regular beef chili, but it tastes really good. There's a lot of spices and deep flavors. This is a perfect weeknight chili as it doesn't take up too much of your time. I put all the ingredients in a link below in the description. We'll be using chopped yellow onion, sliced celery, cut the stalk in half lengthwise and then slice it. The same with the carrot, cut it in half lengthwise and slice it. Finely chopped garlic, bay leaves, smoked paprika, regular paprika, dried oregano, cayenne for heat. You can use any red chili powder, little bit of cinnamon, ground cumin. I always just grind the cumin seeds fresh. Some olive oil. Here's the ground turkey. Half of the turkey has got about 7% fat and the other half of the turkey is 1% fat. I didn't plan it out this way. It just so happened that I had these two types of turkey in the fridge and that's what I'm using. You can use half and half like I did or just use all of the turkey, 7% fat. It's best not to make the chili with the 1% fat turkey because there's no fat in it and it'll just be dry and flavorless. We also need some tomatoes. I've taken a can of whole tomatoes and just crushed them up in my food processor. You can use diced canned tomatoes, diced fresh tomatoes, or pureed tomatoes. To add more depth to the chili, I always put a little bit of chopped chocolate or some cocoa powder. Heat up a pan, add some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Put the onions in, a little salt, carrots, celery, and garlic. Saute this until golden brown. Heat up another pan, a little bit of olive oil. We'll brown the meat. A little salt. Make sure to break up the meat once in a while. The vegetables are getting soft. They do need to be golden brown so your chili is very flavorful. Keep breaking up the meat as you cook it. You don't want any big clumps. Since the turkey is very lean, you can add more olive oil during cooking if you need to. Now I'll add the spices. Dried oregano, crush it in your palms, cumin powder, paprika, smoked paprika, cayenne powder, ground cinnamon, a little more salt. Mix this up for a minute or two. You can really smell all the spices. You can see all the vegetables are golden brown. Add the vegetables to the meat. You can see all that beautiful brown stuff at the bottom of the pan. We just sauteed the vegetables in. We don't want to waste that. We're going to deglaze it with some chicken broth. This is the chicken broth I made for you guys just a day ago. It was sitting in the fridge. You see that it's like jelly. This is how it should be. I'm just going to pour the chicken stock into the pan. We'll let this come to a boil and scrape up all the stuff on the bottom. Now it's ready to be poured into the meat. Tomatoes, bay leaves, bring it up to a boil. Cover the pan, turn the heat down to medium-low, and cook for 20 minutes. Taste for salt and add more if you need to. I'm going to add a few pieces of chocolate. Cover and cook for 5 more minutes. You can add the ground cocoa instead of the chocolate if you'd like. After 5 minutes, chili is dark, it's rich, it's thick. Turn the heat off. It's perfect. It's got the right amount of heat. It's very flavorful from all the spices. There's a little tang from the tomato sauce, and a little bit of chocolate gives the chili a darker color and a deeper flavor. You can serve the chili as is with some shredded cheddar cheese and sour cream. A little chopped cilantro on top is perfect with this chili. You saw how simple this recipe was. I do hope you give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.